Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the award-winning Sound of Springtown.
Drums down.
This year's band is under the field direction of drum majors Shanae Pitts-Richardson, Tyler Stevens, and Garrison Trishell. Section of the week is the color guard under the student leadership of Josie Hauk and Kennedy Vardis.
6 up.
Tonight the band will perform parts 1 and 2 of their competition program, Red. Drum majors, is your band ready?
Always ready, sir! Hey, just listen to me. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. My bad. 3, 4, 5. Take touch. 2, 4, 5, 7. Touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Too far back. Put your 6 up now. Don't move. Take him out. Take it the 6 out, Jake. Down. Ready for the step off. Not too big. Follow me. Forget the step off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Don't forget to put your head down at the end. I'll tell you when. And down.